Welcome to Best Choice. The best SATRIALE'S pork store shirt is probably one of the most iconic pieces of apparel to come out of the Sopranos universe, instantly recognizable to fans and a fantastic way to show off your appreciation for the legendary, albeit fictional, butcher shop. This shirt isn't just clothing, it's a statement piece that evokes the gritty charm and memorable characters of the beloved HBO series, making it a must-have for any true aficionado looking to add a touch of pop culture nostalgia to their wardrobe. Number 5. VATPAVE Men's Casual Hawaiian Floral Shirts. Step into summer with our vibrant floral shirts. Designed for comfort and style, they're perfect for any casual occasion. Featuring a classic short-sleeve design, these shirts offer a relaxed fit. Enjoy effortless style whether you're at the beach or out with friends. The easy button-down front makes them versatile for any look. Wear it open over a tee or buttoned up for a clean, casual aesthetic. These shirts are your go-to for warm weather adventures. Lightweight and breathable, they keep you cool when the temperature rises. Add a touch of the tropics to your wardrobe. With their eye-catching floral patterns, these shirts are sure to make a statement. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and fashion. These shirts are crafted to keep you looking good and feeling great all summer long. What we like. This shirt offers a vibrant floral print perfect for summer vibes. Its lightweight fabric ensures comfort on hot days. If you're looking for a stylish and comfortable option for beach trips or casual outings, this is a great choice. What people say. The shirt is made of a comfortable and durable material that holds up well after washing. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that haven't faded. The design is a perfect replica of the iconic SATRIALE'S pork store logo, a must-have for fans. Number 4. Never Forget T-shirt. Remember the good old days? This shirt is a nostalgic nod to a time when technology was a little different. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates a bit of retro charm. Sporting a classic floppy disk design, this tee brings back memories of early computing. It's a fun way to express your love for vintage tech. Embrace your inner geek with this unique and stylish t-shirt. It's designed for those who love all things retro and tech-related. Take a trip back to the 90s with this awesome throwback shirt. It captures the essence of a decade known for its iconic technology and trends. Looking for a gift for the tech-savvy person in your life? This novelty t-shirt is a fantastic choice for a birthday, holiday, or just because. This apparel is a celebration of tech nostalgia. It's a comfortable and conversation-starting piece for any fan of vintage gadgets. What we like. Embrace your inner geek with this retro floppy disk design. It's a fun nod to 90s tech nostalgia. If you appreciate quirky humor and want to showcase your tech-loving side, this tee is a must-have. What people say. The shirt is made of a comfortable and breathable fabric, perfect for everyday wear. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that haven't faded after multiple washes. The design is unique and eye-catching, receiving many compliments. Number 3. Hardaddy Men's Vintage Bowling Shirt. Step back in time with a touch of vintage flair. This shirt offers a classic look with the comfort you need for today. Embrace the sunny season in style. It's designed for those warm days, whether you're at the beach or just enjoying the outdoors. Achieve an easygoing look with this casual button-down. Its unique print adds personality to any outfit. Stay cool and comfortable with the short sleeve design. Perfect for keeping you relaxed when the temperature rises. Experience the charm of a bygone era. This piece brings authentic vintage style right to your wardrobe. Make a statement with its eye-catching print. It's a great way to express your individual style. What we like. Channel a cool vintage vibe with this bowling shirt. The classic button-down style and retro print make it a standout. If you're aiming for a unique, retro-inspired look for casual wear or themed parties, this shirt is perfect. What people say. The shirt is made of a comfortable cotton blend that feels soft against the skin. The graphic print of the SATRIALE'S pork store logo is vibrant and has held up well after multiple washes. The fit is true to size, making it easy to order without worrying about exchanges. Number 2. SATRIALE'S Pork Store Kearny, New Jersey T-shirt. Show your love for a New Jersey classic. This T-shirt celebrates the iconic SATRIALE'S Pork Store. Straight from Kearny, New Jersey, this tee is a tribute to a beloved local spot. It's perfect for fans and locals alike. Crafted for comfort and durability, this T-shirt feels as good as it looks. Wear your pride with this premium garment. For fans of the show, this shirt is a nod to a memorable location. Own a piece of pop culture history with this unique apparel. It's more than just a pork store, it's a landmark. This T-shirt captures the essence of SATRIALE'S legacy. What we like. Show your love for a pop culture icon with this pork store design. It's a great way to represent a piece of New Jersey's iconic imagery. If you're a fan of the show or appreciate unique, recognizable logos, this is the tee for you. What people say. The shirt is made of a comfortable, breathable cotton blend that holds its shape well after washing. The SATRIALE'S Pork Store graphic is printed with high-quality ink that doesn't fade or crack easily. The fit is true to size, offering a relaxed yet flattering silhouette. Number 1. Italian Hand Gesture Humor Family T-shirt. Show your love for Italian culture with this unique T-shirt. It's a fun way to express yourself and connect with your heritage. This shirt is designed to bring smiles and laughter. It's a great way to break the ice and share a bit of humor with those around you. Perfect for family gatherings or casual outings, this tee blends humor with a sense of togetherness. It's a comfortable and stylish addition to any wardrobe. Capture the spirit of Italy with this iconic hand gesture design. It's a playful nod to a universally recognized symbol of Italian expression. Add a touch of Italian flair to your everyday style. This T-shirt is a fun and light-hearted way to celebrate your Italian side. Looking for a unique gift? This T-shirt is sure to be a hit for anyone who appreciates Italian humor and family traditions. Give the gift of laughter today. What we like. Make a statement with this funny Italian hand gesture design. It's a playful way to celebrate Italian heritage and humor. If you're looking for a conversation starter that showcases your Italian pride and sense of humor, this shirt is an excellent pick. What people say. The shirt is made of a comfortable and durable material. The design is a classic representation of the SATRIALE'S Pork Store logo, which is a nice touch for fans. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that have held up well after washing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.